Top 5 Best Acoustic Electric Guitars. Number 5. Traveler Guitar Ultralight Acoustic Electric Guitar. The Traveler Guitar Ultralight Acoustic Electric Guitar exists for movement. At under 3 pounds and barely over 2 feet long, it slips into overhead bins and hotel rooms without drama. The missing headstock is not a gimmick. The in-body tuning system keeps a full 24 3/4-inch scale while making the instrument feel dense, balanced, and unexpectedly serious. Unplugged, it stays quiet, closer to an electric than an acoustic. That restraint is a feature. Late-night practice becomes possible without thin walls becoming enemies. Plugged in, the piezo pickup delivers clean, usable tone through amps or headphone rigs, with solid intonation and low action straight out of the bag. The maple neck-through design adds confidence. This is not a fragile travel toy. The detachable lap rest solves balance issues better than expected, and a strap makes tuning holds remarkably well despite constant movement. Small flaws exist: a loose input jack out of the box, slightly uneven string output, and occasional vibration from headphone amps. None of it overshadows the core truth. This guitar trades volume for freedom, and for travelers, that is a fair and rare. Coming in number 4. Best Choice Products Beginner Acoustic Electric Guitar. The Best Choice Products Beginner Acoustic Electric Guitar is built to lower the barrier to entry. Everything needed shows up in one box: guitar, small amplifier, gig bag, strap, picks, extra strings, capo, and tuner. For beginners, that completeness removes friction and keeps enthusiasm alive. The guitar itself looks better than expected. Smooth neck edges, cutaway design, and markers make it comfortable to hold and easy to explore frets. Controls for volume and tone are on, and the acoustic electric setup allows quiet practice unplugged or amplified play through the amp, which is simple, functional, and suitable for small indoor spaces. Quality is expectations must stay realistic. Factory strings are cheap and inconsistent. Tuning can be frustrating, and setup out of the box is uneven. Action runs a bit high, spacing at the bridge is not perfect, and some strings struggle to hold tune. These are not deal breakers at this price, but they are reminders that refinement costs money. The gig bag protects from scratches, not weather or pressure. This is not a forever guitar. It is a starting point. As a first instrument, gift, or low-risk introduction to amplified acoustic playing, it delivers. Coming in number 3. Enya Inspire 39-inch Smart Electric Guitar. The Enya Inspire 39-inch Smart Electric Guitar feels like a glimpse of where everyday guitars are heading. Carbon fiber replaces wood, not for novelty but for peace of mind. Humidity, temperature swings, and long sessions barely register. The body stays light, balanced, and comfortable, with a smooth neck and 24 frets that invite speed without strain. The built-in 15-watt speaker changes habits. No amp, no cables, no excuses. It's loud enough for practice and casual jams, clear enough to enjoy, and quiet when needed through headphones. Tone shaping is handled inside the guitar. 4 onboard presets cover the essentials, while the app opens up deeper control with amp models, effects, and fine adjustments. The SSH pickup layout and coil splitting add real versatility, not gimmicks. Setup arrives dialed in. Low action, stable tuning, and a tremolo that behaves. Battery life stretches across long sessions, and USB-C charging keeps things simple. Included accessories feel thoughtful, not padded. This guitar isn't trying to replace vintage classics. It's solving modern problems. Less gear, less worry, more playing. For practice, portability, and effortless tone, it quietly raises the bar. Coming in number 2. Donner DAG 1CS Acoustic Guitar for Beginner. The Donner DAG 1CS Acoustic Guitar for Beginner plays the role it was designed for, a full-size starting point that arrives ready. The box is generous. Guitar, bag, tuner, capo, strap, extra strings, picks, and tools all show up together, removing the usual friction that stops beginners before the first chord. Build quality lands above expectations. A spruce top with mahogany back and sides delivers a warm, balanced tone with enough volume to feel rewarding. The dreadnought body projects clearly, with solid low end and crisp highs. Out of the box, tuning is required, but once the strings settle, stability improves. Tuners hold better than expected, though the included digital tuner feels disposable. Playability is good for a full-size acoustic. Action is reasonable, the neck feels comfortable, and minor fret issues tend to calm down after the guitar acclimates. The trade-off is size. The wide neck and 41-inch body can challenge smaller hands early on, even if they reward stronger technique later. This isn't a refined instrument pretending to be premium. It's an honest, affordable guitar that sounds better than it looks and includes everything needed to start. For beginners with average to larger hands, it offers real value and a surprisingly musical first step. Coming in number 1, Fender California Debut Redondo CE Series. The Fender California Debut Redondo CE Series knows exactly what it is and doesn't pretend otherwise. This is a budget Fender meant to be played hard, traveled with, and not worried about. Lightweight laminate construction keeps it durable and easy to carry, while the familiar Fender headstock gives it that quiet sense of legitimacy. Playability is the real surprise. The C-shaped neck feels closer to an electric than a traditional acoustic, making the transition painless for players coming from a Strat-style background. Action comes set low, frets are mostly tidy, and the walnut fingerboard feels better than expected at this price. It plays fast, stays in tune, and doesn't fight back. Tonally, it's bold and balanced. Not complex or vintage, but clear and usable. Plug it in and the onboard electronics punch above their weight. The built-in tuner is reliable, volume and tone controls respond. Electronics punch above their weight. The built-in tuner is reliable, volume and tone controls respond smoothly, and the amplified sound works well for small gigs, practice, or recording straight into an interface. The satin finish and hardware remind you this is not an heirloom piece. That's fine. This guitar is about access, comfort, and practicality. As a first Fender, a travel companion, or a knock-around acoustic electric, it delivers more than the price suggests. It delivers more than the price suggests.